teaming. Alright, welcome back to part 5 of this race car build. In the last video, we obviously got the front end together, kind of, and got the engine in, got it running. So it does run. It runs really, really good. It's got good oil pressure. There's no more leaks with the coolant. So in this video, I'm going to put some body panels on, kind of wrap this up over here, and then hopefully put it down on its wheels and take it for a first drive. Obviously got to throw a seat in there. Still don't have any seats in there. Well, it's all assembled besides the front bumper cover and the wheels. I think for right now I'm gonna put the snowflake wheels in the front, since I forgot to get lug nuts to put the nice black aftermarket wheels on this. I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna run because I only have 3 snowflake wheels. I did order a 4th one, it hasn't come in yet. I may get the snowflakes put on this when I actually race, but for right now the front ones are gonna be snowflakes because I have the lugs to put on. That way I can set this thing on the ground and take it for a quick spin. But check this out, I got both headlights on and they actually work. I don't want to turn them on because it's going to blind the camera and me. But that's just it. The gaps are decent. More than decent for a race car, but definitely needs some more tweaking. Don't really care. It is almost a complete car. Besides the bumper, like I said, I'm not going to spend the money on the bumper because still not sure how this thing is going to drive, and I'm not sure what other mods I can get. But let's get some of this cleaned up, throw a seat in it, throw the front wheels on it, set it on the ground, and take it for a first drive. First test drives are always fun because you don't know if you're going to end up on the side of the road, in a ditch, or in prison. So that's why they're fun. Hopefully none of the above. Sounds great. I'm really wondering if it's tuned or not, but I can find out later. I can hook up my laptop and see. Not doing anything crazy, just doing a normal drive to see if everything checks out. I mean, the Christmas is on this dash and it's only July, but all of that can be taken care of. I'll disable a few things here and there because obviously the steering bag is blown and then the knee bag is blown, and I don't have all the seats in here yet, just the driver's seat. But so far it's driving really good. It's driving straight. I mean, alignment should be on point, and I do like the short shifter. Pop it in third and send it a little bit. Spicy. Almost want to say it is tuned, but we won't know until we hook up. So the clutch feels really, really good. I wonder if it's new. I mean, I hope it is because I'm gonna have to make it last, but it feels really strong. And I haven't done any full sends yet, but I just want to make sure nothing's leaking. This thing's building like almost 25 psi of boost at half throttle. Tell me that's not tuned. Dang. I think it's also loving the cool weather outside. It's about 72 right now, which is not bad. And I think that cold air intake that goes behind the windshield actually does help, especially during the a day, I'm sure it will help a lot. I guess it's safe to say that the first drive was really good. I mean, I didn't go to prison, didn't break down, or hit a ditch. So I think we're good. Nothing's leaking. The coolant is at the very max, so that's good. That's why I left it. No oil leaks, nothing. No coolant leaks, no boost leaks. It's getting late, but tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and rip this seat back out. It's fairly dark. And get into this trunk and get all that trash out, vacuum it, make it look decent, and then probably pop this driver bag off. So until tomorrow. Well, I've been driving this thing all day, probably put around 100 to 150 miles on this thing, and this thing is a blast to drive. There's so much fun. I mean, it's just a 4-cylinder 2.0 turbo, but I'm pretty sure this thing is tuned. This thing feels pretty crazy. I still haven't really pushed it to the limit because my trailer right now is not available, just in case something does happen. But I will. I think it's safe to say that all the fluids are good, there's no leaks. I think it's safe to go ahead and start pushing it a little bit more. But for right now, I would like to get all this trash out. Finally, the battery's connected and there's power to everything, and I can open up the trunk. And wow, this thing is trashed. So let's get this stuff out of here. Dude, it's a cob tuner. Makes sense why we found the case inside the car. This is where the actual tuner is. So it is tuned. And look at this, it's got some kind of a sound system. Even though the stereo doesn't work in this car, but it's got a little kicker back here. Probably still good. There's a full thing of oil, which is 5W20, and it's not that great. So that's cool. We got a tuner. Got that. See what else we can find. This guy really liked the pizza, and actually this is not a bad pizza. It's probably not the greatest choice, but it slaps. These are alright. Another pair of safety glasses. That's cool. Safety last. We got more oil. This one's a 530, so he couldn't decide. I guess the previous owner couldn't decide, like, hey, should I get Mobil 1 530 or 520 Valvoline? That's cool. I'll use it somewhere. Some pills. Oh, dude. I actually found a lot of fishing stuff in this car. I wouldn't say a lot, but like a few packs of like hooks and weights and all that. This is a really cool one. This guy, I guess, loved fishing. And apparently his name was Alex because I found a pen under the seat that said Alex. So thanks, Alex, for all the fishing. Dude, my kid's gonna love this one, actually. Oh, dude. These are like the pedals. I used to put these on when I was 16 on my first manual. It was a 95 Chevy Cavalier. Blew that engine up in about 3 weeks. I don't think it was my fault though. There was no RPM gauge, so I just did whatever I wanted. I'm gonna say these are trash. This is very professional installation. Just get a bungee cord and just put the kicker in there. Did this thing pass emissions in Georgia? Yeah, 134,000 miles. About 10,000 miles ago, I guess, this thing passed emissions in Georgia. So I'm pretty sure Georgia's pretty strict as far as emissions, I think. I don't know. I know in my county here in North Carolina, I have to pass emissions. Another pair of safety glasses, bro. I'm guessing they were required at his job or something. Let's get this out of the way. Let's see what's under here. Do have a spare tire, which is good. Well, that's cool. Nothing really cool in here besides the tuner, which is nice that we have that. I'm pretty sure it's already uploaded in the car because this thing feels pretty crazy. I mean, it's building like 25 psi of boost. That's gonna be the last time I buy a wing off Temu. But I mean, I guess anything helps at this point, so stay strong.